Good morning, my beautiful viewers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to slow things down a little and take a look at some of the flowers I planted this spring. Most of my videos involve tractors, mowers, and outdoor projects, but I thought it would be nice to share some of the color that has appeared around the property over the past few months. These flowers started out as small plants only a short time ago, and now they are putting on quite a show. As we walk around, you'll notice that every flower bed has its own personality. Some areas receive full sunlight all day long, while others spend most of the afternoon in the shade of the trees. Gardening is always a learning experience. Every year I discover which plants thrive in certain locations and which need a little extra attention. One of the things I enjoy most about flowers is how quickly they can transform an ordinary space. A bare patch of dirt in the spring can become a beautiful display by midsummer. The bright colors attract butterflies, bees, and birds, adding even more life to the property. After spending hours mowing grass or working with the tractor, it's nice to sit down for a few minutes and appreciate the results of all that hard work. When I planted these flowers in the spring, I wasn't thinking about making a video. I simply wanted to add some beauty around the house. As the weeks passed and the flowers continued to grow, I found myself stopping to admire them almost every day. That's when I decided that perhaps some of you would enjoy seeing them as well. Life moves very quickly. We're always rushing from one project to the next, worrying about what needs repaired or what chore comes next. Flowers have a way of reminding us to slow down and appreciate the simple things. They don't last forever, which makes their beauty even more special. I can remember when this property looked very different. Years ago, there weren't nearly as many trees, flower beds, or landscaped areas. Most of what you see today started with a simple idea and a lot of patience. Every season brings new opportunities to improve the property, whether that's planting flowers, growing vegetables, or simply caring for the grass. One lesson I've learned over the years is that the smallest investments often bring the greatest rewards. A few dollars spent on flowers in the spring can provide months of enjoyment throughout the summer. Every morning when I step outside with a cup of coffee, the colors and fragrances remind me how fortunate I am to live in the country. Another thing I've noticed is that flowers bring people together. Friends and family often stop and ask what varieties I've planted or comment on how nice everything looks. Those conversations create memories that are worth far more than the flowers themselves. I hope you enjoyed this short tour of the flowers I planted this spring. If you have flowers growing in your yard, let me know in the comments which ones are your favorites. As always, thank you for spending a few minutes with me today and for following along on this journey of country living. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with a friend. Until next time, take care of yourselves, enjoy the beauty around you, and I'll see you in the next video.